Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on vacations with Expedia, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Expedia. Once the home page loads, look for the search bar. Enter your desired destination into the search bar. Select your travel dates from the calendar. Specify the number of travelers for your trip. Click on the search button to view available options. On the results page, use filters to narrow down your choices. Apply filters for budget, ratings, and amenities. Browse through hotels, flights, and activities. Take note of any special deals or discounts displayed. Compare prices across different options. Click on a hotel or flight for more detailed information. Review cancellation policies and other important details. Add your selected hotel or flight to your cart. If you're interested in activities, return to the main search. Search for activities or experiences in your destination. Add any appealing activities to your itinerary. When you're ready to book, proceed to checkout. Review your selections and ensure everything looks correct. Enter your payment information securely. Consider signing up for Expedia Rewards for additional savings. Finally, confirm your booking and check your email for confirmation. Congratulations, you've just saved on your vacation with Expedia. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.